turn your light on us? Austin. Austin, come turn your light on. Let's go see. Let's go see. Can you turn your light on? It's your birthday. It's the 13th. Let's turn your light on. Do you know what that's for? That's for Austin. Happy birthday, Austin. Happy birthday.
I'm going to take you to a park someday. I'm going to take you to a park.
Yeah, you got your own bike, just like Daddy's.
I'm going to try to sit on it.
Oh, it fits perfect.
I'm going to try to ride.
All right. Oh, you're riding. Good work. Just like at the store.
Okay.
We can take it down the trail and to the parks.
That looks good, Austin.
I like your bike.
I'm being outside. Okay. Yeah, we can definitely ride it. Okay.
All right, I can carry you downstairs for you, okay?
Okay, and I need to get the bathroom outside, okay?
Yeah, you have to wear your helmet. Go for a great ride. Wow. I'll get your shoes on. I'll help you out so we get outside. It'll be easy. This is fantastic. You got a pink bike.
Hey, Dad, when I was coming out of my room, I thought that was a monster. I thought that was a monster. I take this off.
Yeah?
I'm going to take this off, okay?
You thought the bike was a monster?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, happy birthday.
It did not know it's a bike.
It's a bike. Can you believe it?
It's blue.
It's a blue bike. It's not a monster. It's a blue bike.
How cool, Austin.
That's going to be fun to ride. We're going to ride to the waterfall someday. Oh, it's going to be easy on the hard ground.
Downstairs you'll be able to, don't worry.
I'm going to bring it upstairs.
Okay, I'll carry it.
Well, I can do it.
It's pretty heavy. It's a big boy's bike. It's a little heavier than your other bike.
Turn around.
You got it? Alright, Elsa, I'm going to help you, okay? We'll have to have a big breakfast so you have lots of energy.
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna, hey, Dad, I'm gonna lift on here, and you lift on the side, okay?
Okay, let me turn off the stuff.